Selling digital courses online, many creators see their payments freeze simply because there's no physical product to prove delivery, and it can happen out of nowhere. Here's a quick way to keep track of your digital course deliveries. Logging each student's name, email, course, access date, and payment status helps you see patterns if any payments start to freeze. Even with this simple sheet, processors can still flag accounts when there's a sudden spike in access or refunds, because digital products are inherently higher risk. That's why EasyPay Direct underwrites your business upfront. Their team ensures the bank understands your digital only model, reducing the chance of freezes or holds. Plus, with features like recurring billing, your subscriptions and course payments stay smooth and predictable. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. With their system, you can sell courses confidently without worrying about sudden freezes disrupting your revenue. Digital course payments don't have to be risky. EasyPay Direct makes it simple to keep your payments flowing even with high volumes and non-physical products. Click the link in the description to get started today.